Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. Today I'll show you guys how can you fix SmartThings app that shows as offline. So first thing first, you want to make sure to check if your device are powered on and properly connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your SmartThings Hub. So go ahead and open up your device's settings, and then you want to go ahead and click on network and internet. You could actually go ahead and disconnect your Wi-Fi or maybe your cellular data and then reconnect it, and that should be able to fix it as well. If not, you could also then try restarting your hub, check for a network issue with the router, if necessary delete and re-register the device with the SmartThings app. That could be able to fix it as well. However, you could also give this a try, that is try checking for an update. So go to your Play Store or an App Store and type in SmartThings and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely updated, then what next you could do is you will clear cache as well as data. Long press the application, go to this I button. Here you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data. Just make sure to leave it as it is. After you've done it, so you could actually go ahead and fix it as well. You could also go ahead and make sure to restart your device, and that could be able to fix it as well. If nothing seems to be working out, then tap on the force stop, and then you could go ahead and uninstall the application, restart your device once again at the same time, and then reinstall the SmartThings app. That could be able to fix the issue as one. In spite of all of these methods, you're not able to fix it, then you could directly contact the support team. So for that, open up a browser. On the web address bar, you want to type in SmartThings support. Go ahead and check on the first link or click on the first link that comes, and then you could go ahead and mention the issue that you're facing, and you should be able to fix and solve SmartThings app offline issue. So these are some of the ways you could go ahead and fix it out. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.